Rats and mice are resilient creatures that can cause a lot of problems to your home. Rats are even known to be able to chew through concrete to gain access into your property. This means that protecting your home from damages caused by rodents can be very difficult. This is why we've introduced Racan Premium Anti-Rodent Sealant, a preventative sealant that deters rats and mice from chewing through walls, wires and pipes. Racan sealant contains small iron filings that irritate rodents without killing them. It's completely pesticide free and works by creating a physical barrier that prevents rodents from chewing through. And this sealant is waterproof and non-rusting, which makes it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. The Racan sealant is designed to be applied with a standard industry caulking gun. Begin by cutting off the top with a knife and screwing the nozzle on tightly. You can shave off the top of the nozzle to allow the desired amount of sealant to come out. Cracks like this one on an exterior wall is a prime example of where rodents will try to gain access into the building. When applying the sealant into the cracks, make sure to use a thick layer at least 15mm deep. Be liberal with the sealant so that the crack is completely filled. After applying, use a palette knife to remove any excess so the sealant fits flat with the face of the wall. Another example of the damages rats and mice can cause is around wires. Where cables are fed through walls, rodents will often chew to get inside. Using Racan sealant protects these wires from being cut, which could cause expensive damages and in some cases even lead to fires. To find out more about Racan sealant or the rest of the Racan range, visit us at loaderuk.com.